Alright, this is the train set that we found in my grandma's attic. And it was my dad's, and I think it was my grandpa's, but I'm not too sure. These are pretty much the only pieces we could put together. Like, here's a piece. All the others, the tips are bent right here. Yeah, and there's a lot, and it took forever to put the pieces on. Yeah, there's all the pieces down there. This is the only train that I know which brand it is. It's a Lionel. Yeah, it says it right here. It was made in the U.S. in New York. That's right. Yeah. It also says it right there. Yeah. None of the cars go with it, which is disappointing. This train set, I do not know what brand it is, and it does not say. No, not this one. But all the cars go together. And this one, yeah, it goes together with this one too. Yeah, it has a reading caboose or whatever. And then the tanker, I guess. And then I guess the zoo thingy, sliding doors. And then the coal thing. And then the engine. And then here's another one that says Marlene's. Yeah, this doesn't even say if it was made in the U.S. Now this one says it does somewhere. Or not this one. There's something else. No, it doesn't say anything. It's one of these. I think it was the caboose. No, it's right here. Made in the U.S. There we go. They're pretty old. I don't know what year they're made. They're pretty old because like most of the wires aren't even, or the connecting thing to let it go isn't even insulated or whatever. Yeah. I don't even think this is right. And then the wires are so old, or the insulation on it, you hear it crack if I try to bend it. Yeah, which I was hoping I can get this working. Oh no, I just made a mess. Yeah, and then it has the cross section thing, whatever. I don't know. And on there's all the straight pieces and the curved pieces. It's pretty big. And then we also found the Aurora AFX Ghost Racer, which is pretty cool, but we don't have any of the cars. Yeah, that sucks. These are pretty cool. Alright, that's it.